Hello and welcome to Clean and Decorate with me. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Sadie Lynn's Home and Garden. Anyone is welcome to join. This is the first Monday of every month. Well, today I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my laundry room. Okay, I've opened the cabinet so you can see what it looks like inside. I need to do a little bit of rearranging and cleaning up. And as you can see, it's a very small laundry room. Okay, I've already emptied this side of the cabinets and I'm going to be using this cabinet and wood magic cleaner. So I just spray it down and then I wipe it all off. And I'll be doing this to both of my cabinets, top and bottom shelves. And I'm just using paper towels to wipe it all off. And I also wipe down the inside and the outside of the doors. So there we go, all finished. Okay, now I'm putting things back. These are the Swiffer heavy duty dusters. And then I have a basket here that I'm going to be adding some Shout and my wood cleaner. And this is waterless pet shampoo for our 3 cats. And then I have some Febreze. I have several of those. Here's another one. And then I have these lint brushes and light bulbs. The light bulbs are in this box, so I'm just going to tuck that right there. Now for the top shelf, I have our hot tub chemicals, the pH plus and the pH minus. And also I have, this is a pH degreaser. And then I also have some test strips, all for our hot tub. And then I also have the carpet shampooer up there for any touch-ups that I might need. So that's it for this side. Okay, now for the other side. I've already wiped it down and I'm just going to add the Swiffer wet cloths. And we have some extra fireworks. So we've got this. I'm going to store that on the top shelf along with some sparklers. And then on the bottom shelf, I just have my laundry detergent, a bag of clothespins, some OxiClean, some bleach, some Arm & Hammer detergent, some Gain fabric softener, and one of those large Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. Now I'm going to show you the top of the cabinets, and I have a couple of signs. The one there in the middle says wash, dry, and fold. And the other one reads every day is a fresh start. I have a little bit of greenery and a basket. So that's what the top looks like, and it pretty much stays that way all the time. Okay, and then I have a small ironing board hanging on the side. And I'm going to use Windex to clean the top of the washer and dryer. Okay, now I found these canisters at the Dollar General, and this one I'm going to fill up with wooden clothespins. There we go. And then here I have another canister, again from the Dollar General. And I'm just going to be filling this up with scented beads. This one is Downy Ocean Mist Light, and the other is the Gain Scent. So I just mixed the two together, and it has a little scoop inside. And then I also have this box that is for the dryer sheets. Again, the Dollar General. So I'm going to be placing all this on the shelf up here. But first I'm going to give it a little wipe down. And then I have these hooks underneath. And then something very cool that I found again at the Dollar General is this lint bin. It says loads of fun, lint bin, wash, dry, fold, repeat. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to put the canisters with the scented beads, the clothespins, and the dryer sheets. And the shelf was purchased at Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago, and I have had it in different places in the house. So this is a nice way to freshen up your laundry room on a budget. Like all these were purchased at the Dollar General just this past week. And the lint tin came in black or white. Now over here I have a hook for my mops. So I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can freshen up your laundry room on a budget. And if you would like to join our Clean and Decorate with me, remember this is the first Monday of every month. I want to thank you all for watching. Now, if you would, go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. One more look at my organized cabinets. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.